guys, so today is Monday, May 8th. It's 10:17 and I'm getting ready to go to work. But before I go to work, I am taking out some chicken because I didn't cook today. I didn't feel like eating at all. I haven't been having a little appetite lately, so I'm taking out some boneless chicken because I'm gonna make some chicken Alfredo tomorrow when I get off work. Probably I'm gonna put the chicken in the bottom part of the fridge, or y'all American call it the fridge, and the top part is the freezer. But yeah, so I'm on my way to work. So yeah, I'm vlogging again, y'all. I told y'all I'm gonna be vlogging and shit. And yeah, I'm gonna take one of these wipes so I can wipe down my doorknobs, because somebody came into my apartment today, you know what I'm saying? I hate it. But yeah, maintenance came here, so yeah, I like to wipe down all my doorknobs and the light switch as well. Love. I have to. And my AC thing too, because I don't like when like maintenance and such come to my apartment and touch my stuff. You know what I'm saying? With what's going on right now, you gotta be extra careful. So I'm taking water to work. I always take water to work, y'all. Take water, apple, and an orange to work. So I'll have something to eat. But honestly, I don't be eating, you know. I don't be eating at all. I do not be eating. I don't. Because I'm like, who the hell gonna eat from 11 o'clock to 7 o'clock? Not me. But yeah. My friend just texted me. So yeah, I'm going to work. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog while I'm at work. I doubt it, but I'll vlog when I get in the car. And when I'm off in the morning, I'll do that. So I don't know about y'all, but I like to keep my doors locked or closed. I live by myself, so I'm paranoid. Got my flashlight on my other phone. I haven't found my cameras yet, and I still think that John stole my camera. But, oh well. So my car been on for less than 10 minutes, so it should be warm enough. So I'll see you guys later. Good morning, beautiful people. I didn't vlog at work because I'm like, why? You know, but anyway, so I'm on my way driving home. It is 7:31. Yes. These people came late to work, so you know I had to sit there for extra 10 minutes or whatever minutes it was. But yeah, I'm driving home right now. I want to go swimming, but I'm not sure yet. I can't swim and I can't be in the pool by myself, girl, because I ain't trying to drown, boo. But yeah, I'm going home. I'm gonna take me a shower real quick. Basically find something to eat, probably start cooking my chicken Alfredo, because that's what I'm gonna cook. But yeah, that's what's up. I got nothing else to do, so I'm just checking in with you guys as I promised I would. But yeah, I'm just jamming to some music while I go home. I can't wait to go sleep. Oh my god. At work, my stuff wasn't working. My credential wasn't working for the longest while. It finally worked. But yeah, so I'm gonna go home and take me a nice shower. Probably drink some hot chocolate. Love. And I'm gonna get back on Netflix, because for some reason Netflix canceled my account. I don't know why. They just collect, and the fucked up part is they just collect my $17 and then cancel my account. I didn't understand. Like, Netflix, what's up? But yeah, I'm gonna go home and create me a Netflix account and watch something. Like, I'm gonna find something to watch. Y'all don't hear? Hey guys, so I made it home. I take my shower and I'm sitting here talking to this bald-headed girl on FaceTime. So that's what's up, y'all. And yes, I'm bald-headed. What's up? She look good, ain't she? So I'm eating crackers and some hot chocolate and watching a movie. Alright, you guys, so I just woke up. It's 12:30. I'm waiting until like 1:30 for me to start making my chicken Alfredo. I'm so freaking tired. Oh my god. I just got a package from Amazon. Wind Girl here, Yuma here. Oh, I like this bag. Okay, sis. Got you some lashes. I need to stop sending these lashes. The only thing I like about these is the package. Like if you use your lash, you could store them in here. I have a couple of them. A wig cap. A hair pamphlet. And then the actual unit. So this is a 16-inch 13 by 6 body wave hair. It's a frontal, I believe. So I just measure it. It is not 16-inch at all, honey. It's like 14. But they be capping. It's 150 density. Wow, this shit fits snug like. Yeah, this is not 16-inch at all, sweetie pie. So I'm gonna have to cut the hair tabs off and do a little bit of plucking. Yeah, this is not 16-inch. This is like 12-inch max. 12, 14-inch. But yeah, you guys, so this is the unit. I'ma do this up, not right now, but in a minute. Yeah, this is not 16-inch at all. So I'ma cook, then I'ma apply the unit. I wanted to wash it, but it won't be dry in time, so I don't know yet, honestly. So we'll see how today goes. Alright, you guys, so I just ordered some food from Popeyes chicken sandwich. So I got me a spicy chicken sandwich. I'm hoping it's a spicy chicken sandwich because I've made a mistake in the drive-thru and I had to wait a couple more minutes to get a spicy one. So yeah, so I got a spicy chicken sandwich. I got some coleslaw. So I got a 3-piece mild signature combo, dark. Then they were on the app. They were offering three mild tender, so it was free. It's a complimentary thingamajig. So I got that. A bitch fat. So yeah. So they say my food will be here around like 2 something. So let's see. So I'm not cooking the chicken Alfredo tonight, you guys. I'm lazy. I've been super lazy as hell as far as cooking wise. But it's okay. It's alright. You know what I'm saying? They have a free apple pie on here. So you gotta so I got the 3-piece tender because I spent over $15. I spent like $20-something. And then to get a free apple pie, you have to spend over $10. But girl, I don't eat apple pie. I don't eat that. I don't eat that. So I guess it's Popeye birthday. That's why they're giving y'all free food. But that's dope. So let this fat bitch go eat. But I'm watching Lethal Weapon. I don't know, I love that movie so much. But yeah, you guys, so I'm just here chilling, watching movie. Let me see what time. It is 1:41, and I'm just chilling. Waiting for my food. I'm hungry. I only ate breakfast, which is like some crackers and some tea, and I was asleep all day ish. So once I eat, I'm gonna leave some to take to work tonight. I'm off tomorrow and Thursday, so that's what's up. Hello, beautiful people. So I just got a text message stating that my food is on the way, so I cannot wait. I'm mad as fuck. So got my order and no juice. My chicken sandwich. I think this is the 3-piece tender, whatever. I got my chicken sandwich right here. Like, how the fuck you gonna give somebody a meal without no juice? Like, you get what I'm saying? Then I got my 3-piece thingamajig, and then I got some rice and dirty ass biscuit that I never eat because it has too much fucking baking soda on it. Now help me look at this. This clearly say a Sprite right here, right? Listen, I'm a greedy hoe, and honestly, I'm low-key mad. You know what I'm saying?
I hate when it's like I'm trying to make a U-turn, and there's other people like right across in the far left lane. And I can't see where the other cars at.
I could taste pickle on the freaking food.
So I guess we're gonna have to
Never ate pickle before, but I could taste our smelling.
It felt really, really good, and that's just what I can go by how it felt washing my hair. And yeah,
shit is annoying.
But yeah, so my outfit of the day is from FACENOOK. Oh no, it's not. It's from Pretty Little Thing, I believe. So I just want to share that. Oh, there was just one.
Man, I'm mad. Fuck. So I got the Sprite. Yeah, I'm trying to see how to get my refund for the shit that I didn't get, because they got me effed up. Period. Hey, you guys. So I'm still here. I haven't gone back to sleep yet.
This looks very good.
I'm actually waiting up to see when Amazon gonna deliver my other package.
Alright guys, I'm doing the baby hairs now.
So that's what I'm waiting for. They say by 9 o'clock. But sometimes they be coming really early because the package that I got earlier on was supposed to come at 9 and it come at 2 something or around that time. So yeah, I'm just waiting for that to come in. What up, YouTube? So yes, I'm actually on the line with my sister. You know, that's my motivator. Yes, goody. And I'm actually gonna install my wig. So I'm going to try to do it. I was gonna cut the combs from the back off since I don't got no hair to grip. I got no hair to grip it. Listen, Linda. Listen. So I'm just gonna throw this on real quick. We certainly are. I hate that. Listen, when I saw that, I'm like, damn, that's for real. I don't like when people be like, oh, you are Haitian. Like, what? Okay, so I low-key changed my mind about putting the wig on because I don't got time for that shit no more. It's hot. So I took it off. I'm going to do it tomorrow on my day off, though. So I'm going to end this vlog right here and go ahead and upload it right now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.